Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create free figurines with ChatGPT. So if you want to create a plastic figurine resembling yourself in the photo, then let me show you how to do this. So first we need to go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store. You want to go ahead and search for ChatGPT. Here you need to go ahead and make sure you've downloaded this app. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you need to make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign, tap on Photos. Now go ahead and take a picture of yourself. Tap Add. Now go ahead and look in the description down below and paste the prompt which I've added there. And then go ahead and tap on Send. And now let ChatGPT create you a plastic figurine resembling the person in the photo. And now, as you can see, it has created a plastic figurine of the person you have posted in the photo. So to save this image, go ahead and tap on Save at the bottom here. And now you have saved your photo into your gallery. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a plastic figurine of a person in a photo using ChatGPT. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.